Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. I'm a host, your host Crucail, and you are watching CARROVIL. In this today's video, I'll have this massive 10-watt Bluetooth speaker. You know, it's really very difficult to hold this speaker into my hand, but yes, this is a massive Boult Audio Boult 10-watt Bluetooth speaker, and I'm gonna unbox and give some first impression regarding this particular product. So yeah, stay tuned till the end because I'm going to share some good information regarding this product, whether you need to buy or not. So there are some pros and cons regarding this product, so stay tuned till the end. If you love to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel as well as to press the bell icon to get the notification regarding all of my videos into this channel. And without further wasting any time, let's get started. So here is the box in which you will get this Boult Audio Boult Blast wireless Bluetooth speaker. So we can see the Boult Audio brand name over there, and the the overview of the particular speaker, how it looks like. The Boult Blast wireless Bluetooth speaker 10 watt as also written at the bottom. In the left side we have some quick overview, like it has HD deep bass 3D acoustics feature, built-in microphones, built-in mic, 1 year of warranty, extra bass. And on the back side of the box we have a product name like Boult Audio Blast Bluetooth speaker with mic. It's the color is black. The MRP has been written here is 4499, although you will get on Amazon at around price of $8.99 on sale or $9.99 on an average sale during the whole year. And the box contents, it has been written the Bluetooth speaker, USB cable, as well as aux cable. It is a mixture of both of it, and yeah, it's made of China. So yeah, and on the right side it has been written the hashtag unplug yourself, specially written for the Bluetooth speaker. So without okay, so let's open the box. After opening the box, we can see this massive 10-watt Bluetooth speaker. And okay, let me keep this aside and check what else we have inside this box. We have a combination of aux cable with a micro USB type A to type with a micro USB to type A USB port for charging purpose, as well as to act as on aux cable. Along with that, we have a product information paper in which like how to connect the aux cables and all this stuff, how to play pods, and there are some lots of specifications. So yeah, make sure to read all this information before using the product, because it really a good habit, you know, to use these papers before using any products. Okay, let's come to the speaker. It's a huge massive 10-watt speaker, and you will get it only on $8.99 in the sale, and during the other days of the year you will get it on 999 rupees. And in the speaker we can see it's made of high quality of plastic in the front with a little bit mixture of metal, but you know, it's a mixture of metal and plastic. On the center we have the Boult Audio logo, and on the bottom of the we can see the Boult branding over there. And yeah, it's a very big in my hand, and especially I don't know whether if someone has bigger hands, I really don't know whether it also fit in their hands or not. But yeah, I mean, it's a little bit of weighty, heavy as compared to the other 10-watt Bluetooth speaker. But yeah, I mean, yeah, comprising the price segment at $8.99 rupees, you can really consider. On the top of the speaker we have the play pause button, the volume up and down button, and the mode button by which we can change the mode from Bluetooth to aux cable to FM radio. And the best part is that in this Bluetooth speaker we have inbuilt microphone. We can see there are some few ports like micro USB port for charging, as well as to act as an aux cable, the on off button, the USB type A port, mic, a microphone port, and a TF card or micro SD card slot where we can put a micro SD card directly on this particular speaker, and we can listen listen songs or movies directly through the speaker. So that's the thing, and the best part is that we have micro woofer, which is literally a missing part in the other 10-watt speakers at this price range. Even if you go beyond the 999 rupees, like around 1100, 1200, we don't get to see this kind of woofers at this price segment. So basically, whenever we like put some songs or movies in this or watching movies or listening songs using this particular speaker, we can see the vibration through this micro woofers, and yeah, the woofer quality is really good, and I expect this one at least. And we at the bottom we have two pads, two rubber pads to keep the this Bluetooth speaker stable on the surface. So let's just on this device speaker, and let's see how it sounds. So
power on. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, so
the Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
As I have already paired this Bluetooth device with my smartphone, so it has already got connected, and you can see, I don't know whether it's yeah, I mean, you can definitely see this one, a Bluetooth a blue color of LED indicator was there at the top of the box, where it actually indicates whether it is connected or not. Let me just play some songs so that you will get some idea like what is the power output quality of this particular video. Although I'm not sure whether you will get the actual sound over the microphone, but I'll try to give the best output to you so that you will get some idea regarding this device.
Power on. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
La batería está baja. Por favor, recargue. La batería está baja. Por favor, recargue.
Power off.
I hope you get an idea regarding what is the quality of the Bluetooth speaker and how it sounds like. I hope I really don't know how it actually sounds through my microphone. So if it's the sounds, I really don't know. I need to check this one while I'm going to edit this particular video. But yeah, I mean, I can see literally this particular Bluetooth speaker have a decent quality of bass, a good quality of treble. The midtone is good, literally a little bit better midtone. We have high tones. It's a good, and I have used whatever you heard the sound. It is at the maximum volume. So, but the thing is that the loudness of this particular speaker, Bluetooth speaker, I didn't find it too much. Like, it didn't sound as a 10-watt speaker. It is more like a 6-watt or 7-watt speaker. Yeah, it is of course more than 5-watt, and which will be the great one, because you don't get any 10-watt speaker or even 5-watt speaker, a good quality of 5-watt speaker at this price range, like below the 900 rupees. So I hope, I mean, according to me, it is a very much well suggested or a recommended Bluetooth speaker, because I can definitely recommend this video, because this is a budget friendly Bluetooth speaker. If you consider the price segment, you will definitely love. I mean, if you can imagine that you will have a 10-watt Bluetooth speaker at the price range of 900 or even below 1000 rupees, then there will be no questioning about the quality of this particular Bluetooth speaker. So that's a quick review of this product, like just unboxing and quick review. And the thing is that I need to check this product of a bit more like of course, like around 10 days, 15 days, then only I can give you some idea regarding this particular product in like elaborate way, in a descriptive way, so that you will have some idea like what is the quality of its mic, what is the quality of its battery life, like how much it needs to it takes to get full charge, and how much it will deliver the like how much is the battery life. So that's all of very that are the all things I need to check to this device, and after that I can give you a final conclusion like whether you need to buy this one or not. But according to the first expression and considering the price segment, I can definitely give a big thumbs up to this particular Bluetooth speaker. So that's the thing all I have right now. So yeah, I mean that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notification of my videos in this channel particularly. And don't forget to like this video, share with your loved ones. So if anyone want to buy or planning to buy some Bluetooth speaker, just share this video with them, and they will have some eventually idea like how it sounds, what is the quality of the sounds of the speaker, and a detailed review will come in my channel in near future. So yeah, that's all for today for my side. I hope like you need to take care of yourself during this time, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.